The daily code snippet. As we said in the last video, the input element is used with the type attribute to determine what information is being collected from the user. Here are some examples of the different type attributes. Input type button displays a button that can be clicked. Input type checkbox displays a checkbox for several choices. Input type color displays an input field to contain a color and may display a color picker depending on the browser support. Input type date displays an input field for a date. Input type date time local displays a date and time input field. Input type email displays an input field for an email. Input type file displays a select a file field and a browse button for uploads. Input type hidden defines an input field not visible to the user. Example, data inputted for the benefit of the developer. It will be visible in the source code, so it is not for secure data. Input type image, used to create a submit button that is in the form of an image rather than text. Input type month, user can select a month and year. Input type number defines an input field for a numeric entry. Input type password displays a password field. Input type radio displays a radio button for choices. Input type range defines a control for entering a number within a range. Example, a slider. Default is 0 to 100. Input type reset resets all form values to defaults. Input type search displays an input field for a search. Input type submit displays a button to submit a form. Input type tell displays an input field for a numeric entry that is a telephone number. Input type text displays a single line text input field. Input type time allows the user to select a time. Input type URL displays an input field for a URL. Input type week, user can select a week and year. As you can see, an exhaustive list when just looking at the input element. We will go over the most commonly used input element types in more detail. Presented by Designers Learn Code.